How to add a review on Shein. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply add a review on Shein. So you just have to do is follow these simple steps, and for that, let's get started. So first of all, what you're gonna do is go into your Shein account and wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, okay. So you just are gonna go in the me that is at the click at the bottom right corner and the profile where it is written me. Once you tap on it, so there it is in my orders, you're gonna go and tap on the shipped ones. So once you go over there, you see there's this all orders, unpaid, processing, shipped, and review. So you can always put a review up here. Once you have ordered something and paid for it, you can always put a review on it because it would tell you all the details about the article and all the stuff. You also have this returns there. In this, you can write the review of anything you want and anything you like. So this is how you basically put up or do a review on Shein order. I hope this video was informative and you liked it. And if you have still any query or question about this, just feel free to ask in the comments down below. I would love to answer them, and you don't have to really get on it or take as you like. You just have to ask if there's anything. I'm always there available for you guys. Secondly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon so that you can get updates for new recent videos like this. And until next time, peace. See y'all.